Right, guys, let's go for a trip round Aldi this time. Normally I'm in Lidl, but I thought I'd go in Aldi, see what's in there. I've got the ginger with me, so I'll just let her get off to what she wants to do. So straight to the tools, and we get into these sort of saw sets, hacksaws, moisture meter there. I wait to the end, and you'll see what I bought from here. I actually bought something from here, so you'll see that at the end of the video. But there was some sort of quite a few decent bits and pieces. Laser level there, cross laser level. Some warning tape. You know, these are like, some of these are bits that you never see anywhere, do you? You know, a nice sort of wrench there, $6.99. There's sort of like a key safe here and like a little mini work light. Both boxes were opened, but, you know, they were the last of each of them that were in there. So if you see anything, I'd get down quick. Gorilla Glue, $4.69. I've had this in the past. It's really good stuff. Magnetic trays, always super useful. And the magnetic strips, £1.99 each. Absolute bargain. Last lot I bought was off Amazon. It cost a lot more than that. Inspection tool sets. I think they're like them magnetic pickup things. Dummy cameras. Always handy. Probably around the back of your house, something like that. $9.99. It's not a bad price, is it? Tape measures, $4.99. They were big tape measures, them. I didn't get how long they was. I don't know if you can pick it up on there. But they're quite big, chunky tape measures. I've got loads and loads of tape measures. All saw set. Again, useful. And they're carbide, $9.99. If any of you guys have got any of these tools from Aldi, because this is sort of like new to me in Aldi, please let us know in the comments what the quality's like. It's sort of like similar to sort of the Lidl stuff. There's just more of a, you know, a choice in Lidl. Multi-tool, corded. And then there's an impact drill in there as well. I couldn't get it out. I was one-handed. And if it feels a bit wobbly, the camera, I do apologise. I'm doing it with one hand and try to stop the glare on the prices as much as I can at the same time. So this there, grinding disc, $4.99 a pack. Masking tapes, duct tape, that kind of stuff. White duct tape, should I say. Super glue, $2.99. Fire extinguishers. No, I don't know. For workshops, I don't know if this is the right type. There's different types of fire extinguishers. So don't just go out and buy one. Make sure you're getting the right fire extinguisher for your shop. There's different ones, isn't there? For like electric, water, all that kind of thing. Grout reviver. I wish I'd have seen this a couple of weeks back because I just bought a load of this type stuff to do the tiles in the kitchen. Renew. And then there's sort of some tool holders in there. There they are. And some sort of car air fresheners. Why they're randomly in there, I don't know. But I hang an air freshener up in my workshop. Recip blades. Had quite a good sort of selection of stuff in, to be honest. I was quite pleasantly surprised. Then the batteries, chargers, that kind of thing here. I ain't got any of their cordless tools, so I wouldn't know what they're like. So let the other guys know in the comments if any of you guys have got these, because it's helpful to other people, and that's what this video is about. And don't forget the Sunday build video this Sunday coming. It's a good one. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Little DIY sort of toolkit there. Get you going, won't it? If it's, you know, your first little tool set. Angle grinder, electric. You know, if you're just starting out woodworking or something and you just need cheap tools to get you going, these places are now quite attractive to sort of look at, aren't they? There's a jigsaw down there as well. weren't getting it out. I was just doing everything one-handed, and it was all like sort of stuffed in. Paintbrush sets. There's a lot of this in. Spirit level. Could have kicked myself again because I bought one from Screwfix a couple of weeks back that cost me £20, which I thought was cheap, and in here it's £8.99. Could have saved myself like 11 quid. Little foldable trolley there. Handy. Very handy. £12.99. Bargain, really. Mats. Again. Always handy. Dirt trap mats. I don't know how you'd clean them though. That's just the thing. There's more sort of stuff here. Like rubber ring assortments, that kind of thing. Seals. Radiator paint, Red X, wheel cleaning stuff. They had quite a lot of choice in here, to be honest. I'll show you what I bought at the end, guys. We're nearly there, we're nearly there. Car mats, £4.99. These were selling like hotcakes. Off camera, there was people buying loads of them. Masking tape. Now, I didn't pick this up. I should have picked a pack of them up. Next time I go in, if they've still got them, I'll get them for £1.99 for 3 rolls. Bargain. Paint brushes, £2.99. Then you've got paint here, Crown Paint, so it's a decent brand. I always use Valspar paint personally, but you know, £11.99, you can't complain really. And then sort of like some sort of stuff you put on the floor while you're painting, I think that is. And yeah, more sort of painting stuff. Now let's get to what I bought. I can show you that. And yeah, let's see. Right, just back from Aldi, and I'm going to show you what I bought. So I bought I bought 6 of one thing, and these are really useful. I use them all over the workshop. I have got quite a few already, but for the price, I thought I'm not passing them up. So they're these little like magnetic tool strips. You sort of pin them to the wall. That's in the box there. They are £1.99 each in Aldi. So I bought 6. So as you can see there, that's how thingy they are, and the length of them is 46.5 centimetres, and the magnetic bit, if I can think, is about 40 centimetres. So yeah, really, really handy. I bought them. Let me know if you've got them, guys. But I'd get down to your local Aldi and get some. Can't fault them. £1.99 each. Let me know what you want to see on these videos, these tool tour videos, any places you want me to do. I want to do Machine Mart, you know I do Lidl, I want to do a few more. So Aldi's now on my radar, so I will be doing that. As you can see on the video, there was quite a few bits and pieces in there. So I will do more, show you these. These videos will go out sort of randomly, so hit the notification and make sure you subscribe, because it massively helps the channel sort of grow to where I need it to be. So thanks for watching, guys, and let's get on to the next one.